Hello, I'm Roy, a UI designer based in the UK. In this tutorial, you will be styling a link as a button. We are going to create a separate style sheet for buttons because it can get long, and then at the end you can put them all in one style sheet. Because we are creating a simple site, let's separate out some stuff. It's going to be in CSS and we're going to call this buttons. So here, just create a new file called buttons.css, and back in the index we're creating a system for a small version. We can have a medium or large version, we can have dark, light, and we can have an outline. So we got different variations. So we're going to use the utility classes for this. If we go here, we can say class, we can say button, we can say button small, and it's going to be button dark. And then for this one we're going to say class button, and then we're probably just going to say button medium, and then button outline, and then we're just going to copy that for this one as well. And then at the very end we have this one here, which we're going to say button light. Okay, so very quickly what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in a style in here and background color of, say, black, so we can see this, and a color of white. So let me just scroll down and we got this really nice contrasting version. What we're going to do is, if we go back to buttons and we're going to say dot button, they can have display inline block, and then text decoration none, and they're also going to have a border radius of 9999 pixels. This is give it that rounded pill look. Okay, so button small, that is going to be a font size of, it won't import them until we start typing. So in this case we are using text small. Then we hit save. So now it's got the smaller version. And then what we need to do is we are going to start doing the padding top, and this is actually going to be a small spacing. So if we go to spacing, and I don't think we've created this variable, so if I go back to style, we want to add two more. So we got space small, actually we've got 12 pixels, and then we got, so again we can convert these to rems at the end. So we go back to buttons. So now let's see if this comes up. So space, okay, cool. So padding top, we're going to say, pardon me, we are going to say small. Oh, let's go here and say button dark, and that is a background color of, let's just say black for now. So we're going to do color at the end, and we say color white. What we also have to do is the line height. So line height, we're going to say, will it pick it up? No. We're going to say LH copy. Here we can go PB, VAR, and we go into space small. So now we have our nice simple button, but I think that's actually still quite big, so we can play around with these values. We can say extra small, extra small. If you're finding value in this video, please hit the like button. Next up is we have to do the outline. Here I'm just going to say dot button outline. I'm going to say border 2 pixel solid black. Okay, so we can see that there. And we're going to make the font size bigger. So let's say VAR text. Should we say large? Okay, large is good enough. Or should we say medium? Let's say large. Great. So now we just have to do the padding. So what we can do, let's see if we can save time by doing this. But we have to do that on the button medium version. Save. Okay, so I think we can make these a bit bigger. Large. So we have a really nice spacing system. And then the color on the outline version, we are just going to say black. Now the only thing is we need to have a margin bottom on these medium ones. Okay, so we just say margin bottom VAR. We can say space large. Nice, so you got that gap. Okay, so the last one to do is the white version. So I'm just going to say dot background color white, color black. Okay, so if we scroll down, we got that nice clean version right at the bottom. Now the last thing we have to do, font size on the medium, I'm thinking, let's see, text medium. Yeah, so here we should take that out and put that on the side. So that is probably small. Let's go large. There we go. A very simple thing is we can go to the whole button. We can say transition all, and we just say 200 ms. So what does that mean? Well, on button dark, we're just going to say opacity is going to be less. So let's just say 0.8. So let's test that out. So when you go here, you can see that nothing is happening because we need to have the hover. Of course, forgot the hover. So when you hover, we got that really nice subtle transition, and it adds a little something extra. So the same thing, we can do it for the buttons. Button outline, I'll just do .btn outline, hover, opacity 0.8. So we're going to see that really simple, and you might not even notice it. So we can play with these values. So 0.6, there we go. So that's a lot more noticeable now. Okay, and then the last one to do it is on the download button. So I'm just going to copy all of that and then go here. I'll just change that to light. Okay, so one final thing to do is to actually use the primary color. So here I'll just go in here, and we are going to create that in the styles. So here we're going to go colors, and then we're going to just say primary, and we just paste that in. We go back to buttons, and we can have another variant now. So we can just copy all of that, and we can say button primary, and that is going to be the VAR of primary. Let's see if it comes up. Nice. Just put a space in there, and we need to do the same for this. So VAR, and we just look for primary, and it comes up. Great. And we just do the same here, so primary, and then we hit save, and let's go back, let's close this. So now we need to change the class. So if we don't want a dark version, we can just change that. So here I'll say button primary. Oh, so it's done it for that. But we actually, that's the nice thing, right? You can now start using it for the other buttons, but I'm going to Command Z that. We actually want it on this version. So button primary. So there we got that nice blue, and the same thing we can do on this one, or we can leave that dark, right? We can experiment, but again we're choosing color, so it's different from everything else, and hopefully it will stand out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.